Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Varkala. This is the steps that can be used to go down to the beach, right? Beach, from here only. These are the cafes that have a beautiful view of the beach down below, ladies and gentlemen. Some cleaning in progress. Wow. Welcome to Varkala. This is the access to the beach from on top of the cliff. Let's go. I'm very tempted. You can come back up. You can stairs coming back up. As of now, only one person is down below. Two. I can see two people. And this is the way down to the cliff. From the cliff to the beach. Look at the water, ladies and gentlemen. That's the Arabian Sea. Beautiful. Let's just... Once again, this is the path leading down to the beach. Let's go down and see how it is. It's going down to the beach, right? And it comes back up. You can come back up. Taking these steps to show you where they lead to. You have to be careful while traversing. Oh, whoa. Very dangerous. It's like you're in a forest. Going down to the beach is equivalent to a hike. I've got the confidence from these gentlemen and lady. There's the beach. And this is the path. I just hope I don't fall. And as you can see, that's the cliff from where I'm coming from. Unhindered view of the Arabian Sea. Just have to climb down these tricky set of stairs. Make sure you don't miss a step, otherwise you'll be called straight to God. Wow, look at this. This is where I'm coming from. I hope I don't get bitten by any snakes in the process of going down to the beach from here. Wow, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. That's the end of the path, it seems like. Climbing down, climbing down, climbing down. Very steep set of steps. But to go down to that beach is what I want to do. Oh. Look at this set of steps. That's the end. And then you enter the beach. Very clean beach, ladies and gentlemen. The only trouble is climbing down this tricky set of stairs. Oh, they got down. The couple that went with me. Yeah, I think this is the last set of stairs, ladies and gentlemen. Full cliff. Coming down the cliff. That's the hike that is required to come down the cliff for a beautiful swim of the Arabian Sea. Wow! Now it feels like I've come to the beach. Wow! Oh! As you can see, my steps are in a hurry. Hurry, scurry to get down. The last set of steps. Very tricky. Be careful, especially now in the monsoon season. Watch your feet. Watch your step. Yo. Welcome to the beautiful beach here in South Cliff. Wow, so magnificent. As you can see, that is exactly where we came from. We climbed up from on top there using this set of stairs. So beautiful. You have the ocean on one side, the beach. Sexy beach, I must say. Crazy. I cannot wait to just not wet my feet but go for a genuine swim. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, wow, wow. You can see the South Cliff. And this is the beach, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely amazing. Stunning, mesmerizing experience. You can see the sand is absolutely clean. Spick and span. It's just got the feet impressions. But Varkala, can you be more beautiful? Keralam, I love you. You're such a beautiful state. I mean, one side you got the hills, the cliffs, and on the other side you got the beach. What more do you want in life? As you can see, these are the dramatic South Cliff hills. And that's the Arabian Sea. Woo! Mind blown, mind blown, mind blown. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, wow, wow. Just amazing. Woo! 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 The wetting of the feet ritual has begun. Towards the far end, that side, you can see there's some houses overlooking the beach. This is the south side of Varkala, where I'm residing, is very calm and serene in contrast to the north side, which I will also take you. But this is, ladies and gentlemen, the entrance to the south cliff, which is so beautiful. Wow, I'm like lost for words. The only problem is I will be the only person swimming here. That's not a fear, but then that's a reassurance that life is good. Life is amazing. La 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 la, look at the waves. Woo! Once again showing you the dramatic South Cliff. Ladies and gentlemen, the South Cliff and the Arabian Sea. Only thing, you have to be careful when you go for a swim in in Arabian Sea, as I've been told. But I can go till where the waves break. Ladies and gentlemen, as the water of the waves come and touch my wonderful feet, as you can see, woo! The wetting of the feet ritual is complete. Then you have the dramatic South Cliff, where on one side you have the hill, the mountain, the cliff, and on the other side you have the Arabian Sea. At this place, I don't know if you are, it me to just head back for some breakfast and definitely return back here. As soon as I woke up, I headed up here to check it out and see how beautiful it is for myself. And you can see for yourself how beautiful it is. That's the cliffs, mountains, ladies and gentlemen. There's the mountains. There's the mountains. And here's the beach. Ladies and gentlemen, for me to head back up using the narrow strip of stairs in this clean, green and beautiful town of Varakala. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Cheers and God bless. Have a nice day, everybody. Woo! From this beautiful town of Varkala, where on one side you have the dramatic cliffs and the entry I showed you, and the other side it's the beauty of the Arabian and the beach. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe. See you. Have a nice day from the beautiful town of Varkala here in Kerala.